In this example, we need to make use of a tool to get rid of the duplicates in this long list, which is two lists combined. So what I can do is I can highlight the entire area. Under data, you've got remove duplicates. And what we're going to tell Excel is a duplicate is where the salesperson, transaction ID, date, products A, B, C are the same, but the list can be different. So it could be list 1, it could be list 2, it doesn't matter. These are the duplicates. The list number is not the identifier. When I say OK, you'll see it tells me that 65 duplicates were found and removed, and there's 82 remaining. When I click OK, we're left with this, and you can see the control totals up here.